Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Mullvad VPN, found at mullvad.net/en, presents a unique approach to online privacy. Their website emphasizes a straightforward and transparent philosophy, focusing on user anonymity and data security. Instead of relying on traditional account creation with emails and passwords, Mullvad assigns each user a unique account number. This number serves as your sole identifier and is all you need to access their service. This account number system eliminates the need for personally identifiable information, further bolstering your privacy. Mullvad's commitment to transparency extends to their pricing structure, offering a simple flat monthly fee. This avoids tiered plans and complicated pricing schemes, ensuring clarity and predictability for users. They also clearly outline their logging policy, reassuring users that their online activities are not tracked or stored. The website details the limited technical information they collect, primarily for service maintenance and improvement, and emphasizes their commitment to not sharing this data with third parties. Mullvad VPN supports a variety of operating systems and devices, offering applications for Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, and Android. They also provide detailed setup guides and documentation for users who prefer manual configuration or want to use Mullvad with routers and other devices. The website provides comprehensive information on the technical aspects of their VPN service, including the protocols they use, their server locations, and their security measures. They encourage users to explore these details and understand how Mullvad protects their online privacy. Beyond the technical specifications, Mullvad's website delves into their company philosophy, emphasizing their commitment to ethical operations and user empowerment. They highlight their dedication to open-source software and their transparency regarding their ownership and financial structure. Mullvad actively promotes user education about online privacy and security, providing resources and information to help individuals take control of their digital footprint. In conclusion, mullvad.net/en provides a comprehensive and informative overview of their VPN service, highlighting its focus on user anonymity, transparent pricing, and a strong commitment to data security.